one day somebody does something unspeakable to someone else, to someone you hardly knew, and you do something about it, because you can.
From the Kansas Reflector comes this story where attorneys for the city of Topeka and 5 police officers named in a wrongful death lawsuit urged a federal magistrate to sanction a lawyer representing the dead man's family for disclosing body camera footage of the incident to the media. Defense counsel Jeffrey Coleman and Nicholas Jefferson filed a motion requesting Lorona Lassiter Saunders, who represents the family of late Taylor Lowery, be publicly admonished and face other repercussions for disclosing a video of the shooting to Kansas Reflector and NBC News. Both news outlets reported on and published portions of the body camera video. The defense lawyers alleged Lassiter Saunders violated a protective order establishing rules for release of police video tracking movements of Lowery and Topeka police officers Malcolm Gillum, Justin Good, and Bradley Netherton, Sergeant Scott McIntyre, and Detective Alex Wall during the 2022 episode. U.S. Magistrate Judge Angel Mitchell's order in December blocked public release of personally identifiable information of certain people and segments of video containing images of minors. The Kansas Reflector didn't publish that shielded video content. Quote, third parties have obviously reviewed confidential portions of the footage that was subject to the protective order, according to the motion filed by Coleman and Jefferson. On Wednesday, Mitchell issued an order instructing Lassiter Saunders and Damabrius Duncan, the special administrator of Lowery's estate, to explain how they have violated the December protective order in relation to body cam footage. Both were told to submit a document by February 25th, signed under penalty of perjury, explaining what confidential information was disseminated to third parties. The judge also forbid Lassiter Saunders from participating in further discovery in the lawsuit or receiving materials produced in the case. The defendant's attorney declared Lassiter Saunders' motive for sharing the video was to try this case in the court of public opinion and to improperly influence and taint the jury pool. In October of 22, Topeka police officers confronted Lowery at a mobile home park. Lowery held a butcher knife and a wrench, but eluded those officers by jumping in a vehicle and driving away.
Warning: some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Drop it! Drop the knife! Drop it! Drop the knife! I'm not going to tell you again. Drop the knife! Do not do this. Drop the knife.
Drop the knife.
35-2, we got one at gunpoint, pink shirt wearing with a knife. Drop the knife. Do not go back in the house. Do not go back in the house. 35C, here's public service. Oh, fuck. We need the force entry. Ma'am, go to the front.
My kids are in there.
I know.
In the back room. Back there. Back there.
All right, that's fine. Back here.
Left.
Good.
Left.
Yep.
Please.
Show me your hand.
Drop the knife. Drop it now.
Drop it.
Drop the knife.
She's still out here. Drop it! 35C is trying to take off in a car, Kansas 307, Paul David X-Ray. It's going to be a Chevy Equinox, black color. Get out of the car! Get out of... Show me your hands!
Ground right now! Get on the ground right now! Get on the ground! Drop it right now! Drop it right now! Get Get your hands out! Get your hands out!
Hands out! Put your hands out!
At one point, Lowery dropped the wrench and the knife. When he picked up the wrench, officers shot at him 34 times. He sustained 41 entrance or exit bullet wounds and died at the scene. The knife remained on the ground during final moments of the encounter. The plaintiff's attorneys, Lassiter Saunders as well as William Denning and Peyton Denning, claimed in the lawsuit Topeka police officers used excessive force. The Dennings informed the defense attorneys that Lassiter Saunders shared the video with reporters. The motion from Kuhlman and Jefferson said, those are the attorneys. In addition to public admonishment, Jefferson and Kuhlman want Lassiter Saunders found in contempt of the court protective order and that she be required to disclose what documents were released to third parties. They asked the court to compel Lassiter Saunders to destroy or return evidence received through the discovery process and that she be banned from future depositions in this case. They also wanted the federal court to compel Lassiter Saunders or the plaintiffs to pay defendants legal fees for participating in a court hearing Friday on the issue and for preparing the brief demanding sanctions. In 2023, Shawnee County District Attorney Mike Kagi cleared the Topeka officers of wrongdoing. Of course he did. In court documents, lawyers for the officers have said they were justified in shooting Lowery.